Welcome back. So imagine getting the chance to go back to that one person from your past who made such a difference, and you're able to show your gratitude in a big way.
Wayne Brady, don't you make me cry already?
That's MU grad and host of the new CBS series Secret Celebrity Renovation, Nischelle Turner, riding along with actor, comedian, and Let's Make a Deal host Wayne Brady. Now he's preparing for a return to his family in Georgia for a big undertaking. Nischelle joins us live now to talk about the new series Secret Celebrity Renovations. So Nischelle, we are so happy that you are here first of all, and we want to talk about how this show is giving sports, music, and entertainment figures the chance to give surprise home renovations and really make a difference.
Yeah, so great. Belinda, first of all, let me say, not just MU grad, I am a Missouri girl born and bred in Columbia.
Love that.
There, graduated from Mizzou, so I'm so excited to be with you all on KCTV. I know the station well, so thank you guys for having me so much. My family in Kansas City, I have lots of family there. They'll be happy and watching this morning, very excited. So thank you guys for having me. I really appreciate it. It's always good when you're there with your home folks. But this show, I cannot even tell you how excited I am for everyone to see this show, because all of us over this last year and a half have had some sort of issue, trauma, bad day, feeling tough, like trying to get through this madness. So we really are giving you an hour of goodness from start to finish.
Wow.
Feel good television, inspirational television, and then you're also getting the the celebrity factor with it. You're getting a little like yummy TV as well, because you've got people like Wayne Brady, who are huge celebrities, who are taking us back and showing us their origin story. I mean, we go back to Orlando with Wayne, which is where he was born and raised, and he shows us where he grew up as a child. We get introduced to his family, and then we meet his Aunt Lily, who he's doing this renovation for. And his Aunt Lily has given of herself so much for her family. She could have been, she's so smart, so accomplished, so classy, but she chose to stay at home and take care of her family, take care of Wayne's grandmother, who is her mother, instead of going off and following her career. She could have been a CEO of a big company or something. She's just that brilliant, but she decided to sacrifice for her family. So Wayne has been wanting to do something good for her for the longest time. He even bought a house out here in LA to try to get his aunt and his granny to move out here, and they said no, they didn't want to move. They didn't want the money aspect of it. So the fact that they got the heart from him, and he put himself in this renovation and did some of the work in this renovation, that meant more at the end of the day than anything that money could buy. And we see that story mirrored so many times in this series with all of our celebrities.
All right, and the premiere's coming up. We know that there's so many remarkable stories. When can we watch?
Well, Friday nights on CBS at 8 o'clock. Again, we are premiering tomorrow night with Wayne Brady. Next week, our episode is Anthony Ramos. I know so many people have gone to see In the Heights this summer. They've seen Hamilton. He's the star of those. That episode, can I just tell you, Belinda, I cried big old tears. Like, it was ugly cry. So good. You're gonna need your Kleenex for a lot of these episodes, but in our premiere episode with Wayne, I laughed so hard and it's so heartfelt. You're really gonna love this episode. It's a great way to kick off this series. We've got 10 episodes coming your way every Friday night on CBS, and it's just going to be fun. I mean, whether you are a big fan of country music, we've got Lauren Elena. Whether you're a big sports fan, 7-time NBA All-Star Chris Paul, Dallas Cowboy legend Emmitt Smith, we've got them. Or if you just love like comedy and fun, actor Jesse Tyler Ferguson is in with us as well. And we've got legends like Paula Abdul. It's really, really a good series, and everybody brings something different, special, and unique to their Pay It Forward story.
All right, Nischelle, we are so looking forward to that heartwarming storytelling, finding those stories of origin. Thank you for your time, and we also love seeing that little MU logo on your desk.
Oh, that stays, baby. That's always right there. That stays.
That's right. Go Tigers.
Yeah,
That's
thank
right.
you,
Go
Nischelle.
Tigers.
Love that. MIZ. All right.
And
Thank
I
you
love
so
that
much.
she's a Missouri girl. I can't wait to watch.